Alright guys, we're gonna try doing this again, except there's a catch. We have a special guest. And our special guest is the one and only Alan Palander. Hold up. Who is Alan Palander? Do you guys know how dope this human being is? Alan Palander is a Toronto-based creative director and photographer. As a self-taught creator, his education and background in urban design and architecture can be shown through his unique eye and ability for capturing the world around him. His talents were quickly recognized by the digital media space, and he quickly became one of the world's most sought-after content creators and amassed a global following. Alan now works for some of the world's largest brands, including Mercedes-Benz, Lamborghini, Nike, Air Canada, Canon, and more. I was lucky enough to connect with him at the Epidemic Sound Creator Summit, where we got to rip a supercar through Sweden's beautiful countryside and shoot some insane content along the way. Check it out. Blue will come up. Yeah?
Much needed sleep.
Yeah, you feeling recovered?
Feeling, yeah.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
Alright, today I'm taking Alan over Los Angeles and do a flight around downtown, the Hollywood sign, see all of LA and do a little sick photo mission.
It's gonna be incredible, man. I'm pumped.
Oh, you stealing shoes? Yeah? What do you have? You have a sandal and a slipper? Wow. Okay, can I have these though? Because we're gonna have to put you in your crate here because we gotta go do fun stuff. Pax, what are you doing? How are you sitting? Hey Pax, look back at it. Man, the myth, the legend. Here he is.
Look at that thing.
Our pilot for today.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, is that pretty neat?
That's cool. Hey.
Hey.
I didn't realize we were 3. I would have made more room. But anyway.
Can we fit?
Squeezing.
Yeah.
It's gonna be tight like a butthole.
Can we fit? It's tight like a butthole.
The skinny one goes in the middle.
No one's skinny.
Perfect.
Where are we right now,
We
man?
are at Camarillo Airport.
What gear are you guys gonna use for this?
So Nick is shooting on the GH5 12-35 lens, which is like a 24-70 micro 4/3 equivalent. Then I have the Olympus 7-14 2.8 on this baby.
It's kind of entertaining to see this process.
Alan, you ready to fly this thing?
Yeah, really. I'm really excited.
Don't worry, I just have to tell you these things because you're about to pilot that.
I'm a little nervous now.
Yeah, you should be.
I heard they go like this and like this.
So basically, we're gonna use the compass as a reference.
Okay.
I'll show you what I mean when I'm up there.
I'm about to take full control of this helicopter.
You can take us to Pleasure Town?
I'm gonna take you to Pleasure Town.
Too much bucket? All right, y'all ready? Everybody's got their seatbelts on?
Y'all ready for this?
Y'all ready for this?
Helicopter 821 Romeo Sierra, just over Dr. Stadium.
Yo guys, I'm flying the helicopter.
Beautiful. Keep turning. This is. Oh my God!
Helicopter 06 Zulu is going to make a pass by the Hollywood sign also and then continue exiting southeast.
Well, this shot should be money.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I know.
Helicopter 06 Zulu Griffith Observatory southbound for downtown 1,300 feet.
Look at the people up there.
Oh, we're getting into position here.
Okay, I got video going.
You can gently lean out now. How's that?
That's dope.
That's golden. I'm gonna get you right next to the US thing here.
Insanity.
Holy shit. Alan, I just got the most filthy fucking shot there.
Oh my God.
Yo, pull your other leg out. Put him in. What's happening, everyone?
How y'all doing?
How y'all doing? Y'all doing well?
He said it turned into a pretty epic afternoon.
We literally went everywhere. I don't think I missed one single spot. It was really dope, honestly. Shout out to Albie, our pilot.
Yeah.
His boy.
Albie's the man.
Great man.
The bear. What was really cool about having Alan here is I met him in Stockholm, Sweden. We met him at the Epidemic Sound Creator Summit where they paired us together just because Alan and I do such different things, but we share so much in common. And one of the biggest things we share in common is the importance of music and storytelling. Music helps tie all the visuals together. When looking for a song, like one thing that was so important to this is finding something that could really capture the excitement, you know, the energy, and find a song that really pairs well with the visuals we captured. Literally dangling our feet as Albie's cranking this helicopter over downtown. The visuals are amazing, but really what really ties it all together is a good song.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do now is show you the importance of music and storytelling and how it can completely change the vibe of and energy and the emotion of, you know, what you're looking at here.
Absolutely.
So I'm going to show you the same segment of clips tied together, but I'm going to show you one with one song, one with another song. Tell us what you think.
Hyperdrive initiated.
Guys, also be sure to check out Epidemic Sound. It's where we get all the music. They even have sound effects that are used in both the videos.
Hell yeah.
They have an insane database and library of all these kind of music, from cinematic to electronic to anything you could possibly think of. So go take a look at Epidemic Sound.
Dude, it's been awesome, man. Bro, gotta do this again. Peace, guys.
We out. That's it for this week's vlog. All the music I used in this vlog and all the other vlogs can be found in the descriptions of the videos. It's all by Epidemic Sound. And guess what? We are giving away 30 days free on an Epidemic subscription. Check out the link in my bio. It's pinned to the top comment as well. And next week's vlog is gonna be freaking insane. So stay tuned to find out.